Good morning, dear students. Myself Miss Deepti from Dips Bag, and in today's lecture, we are going to do the question answer of history's last chapter, chapter 15, India after independence. So, let's start. The first question is, how was India partitioned? Answer: India was partitioned on the base of religion and divided into two countries, India and Pakistan. Number two, describe the Indo-US relation. Answer: India and USA share a warm relationship. They are against fighting terrorism together. Question number three, mention important features of India's foreign policy. Answer: important features of Indian foreign policies are following. Number one, mutual respect for each other territorial integrity and sovereignty. Number two, mutual non aggression. Number three, mutual non interference. Number four, equality and mutual benefit. Number five, peaceful coexistence. Question number four is, what was the role of the Planning Commission? Answer: the Planning Commission was set up by the government in 1950 to frame suitable policies for economic development and progress across different sectors. Question number 5 is, what are the main features of the Constitution of India? So, answer: the main features of Constitution of India are following. Number 1, the parliamentary system of government was to be established with universal adult franchises granted to all citizens. Number 2, a federal system of government was established where the powers between central and state government were clearly divided. Number 3, all Indian citizens will enjoy fundamental rights. Number 4, all citizens will be guaranteed equality before law, as state shall not discriminate any citizen on the base of caste, creed, color, gender, religion, etc. Fifth, the directive principles of state policy were laid down to guide the government. Next is question number 6. What is the refugee crisis which India faced after independence? The partition of India gave way to the refugee problem. By mid 1948, about 5.5 million non Muslim had moved into India, and a very large number of Muslims had left India for Pakistan. People of both sides left their homes, possessions behind, and many lost their families members, and thousands of people were killed. Question number 7 is there now. How are the princely states brought into the Indian Federation? Answer is, at the time of independence there were about 562 princely states in India. The Indian Independence Act of 1947 gave a right to the princely states to choose to either be independent or to join Pakistan or India. These states accept the integration into India were the great efforts of India's first Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The states were persuaded to sign the instrument of accession with India, and this agreement acknowledged central authority over three areas: defense, external affairs, and communication. Princely states were allowed to retain their titles in return. Now, the question number 8 is there. Why did Kashmir become a problem to India's union? Answer: Kashmir is a Muslim majority state, and Pakistan had an eye on Kashmir, and it tries to liberate Kashmir, with, which resulted to conflict between India and Pakistan, as India take Kashmir its own part. Now the question number 9 is there. Describe the relationship between India and Pakistan. Answer is: India's relationship with Pakistan was never so good due to Pakistan's policy over Kashmir. Pakistan was part of India before the partition in 1947. We share close cultural and historical uh, links. Pakistan anti-Indian India policy uh, made both countries fought wars with each other in 1948 due to Kashmir, where the Af- uh, in the face of Afghan they have attacked Kashmir. So we are considering it as a war between India and Pakistan. In 1965, freedom of Bangladesh was there, a new state which was earlier was the part of Pakistan and which were known as the East Pakistan. So 1960, the freedom of Bangladesh, which was the part of Pakistan, East Pakistan, known as East Pakistan, and this war was fought in 1971, where Bangladesh was made, and so it is also we are taking it as the Indo-Pakistan war, as Pakistan has attacked India's western part in Rajasthan. So, so that is why we are considering it 1971 war, Indo-Pak war. Next is in recent years in 1999 over Kargil. We have heard about it. So both countries tried to solve their issue peacefully through discussion, but and diplomatic allocation, but not but did not succeed. Till date, efforts are being made to bring peace between the two states. So this is the relationship between the India and Pakistan. It is not it is not so good with the Pakistan. So these were the question answers from chapter 15. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.